Pickleball Philippines. You gotta get the whole country on this.
Oo nga.
So ano sa Pickleball Philippines?
Let's go! Let's go, boys! Sumigaw? Okay. Sigaw lang tayo. Medyo malayo yung kuha, pero para makita yung buong court.
Okay lang. We'll let you guys know. Alright, we're about to begin. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Ano daw? Ano daw?
Ano yan, coach?
Ano daw meron? May bystander sa gilid.
Alright.
Let's go!
Woo! Alright. We're about to begin. Jules, the serve. Ooh. Okay, Indonesia with a sneaky speed up. Round of 8 na ba mo? Quarterfinals na, Monching. Score now 1-0 to Indonesia.
Whoa!
Very aggressive.
Let's go!
The net goes our way though. 1-1 now.
Let's go!
Let's go. Mo, the serve. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. So banger talaga si Lolo. Kailangan natin i-ready. Alright. It's okay. 3-1 now.
It's okay.
Alright.
Let's go, Mo!
Let's go. The score now is 4-1. Indonesia is leading.
It's okay, guys. Energy!
Bangers, mga bangers to. All good, 5-1 now. Kailangan ng adjustment.
It's okay. Energy!
Let's go! Score now 6-1 Indonesia. The snipe. Alright, there we go. Score now 2-6. Let's go. Good reset. Bangers. Score now 3-7. Fighting fire with fire. Let's not go our way. Score now 8-3. 8-3 now. Ayan.
Okay.
Oh, this is too long.
Let's
go, let's go.
Kaya yan, kaya.
Score now 9-3.
Kaya pa? Let's go!
Score now is 10-3. Pasok pa yan.
Pasok ba yun? Nice, Kaya? Kaya?
Change score.
Let's go!
11-3.
Kaya yan!
Kaya pa. Score now is 11-3.
Let's go, boys! Let's
go,
go!
let's go,
Let's
let's
go!
go.
Let's go! Puso!
Mga banger lang.
Hinga, hinga!
Alright.
Let's go! Let's go, Sophie! Let's go,
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go, Soldier. Let's go. Score now 11-3. We are down. Looking for a comeback there. Come on! Score now 4-12. Because anytime for a habol, it's now. Jules serve.
Energy!
13-4 now. There we go. Score now 5-13. 8 points down. Kailangan ng habol.
Hinga! Hinga!
That's one. That's one. That's one. Just you gotta keep doing that. Seven. 7-13.
Okay.
7-13.
7-14.
Rob, kailangan ibudekal sa bata.
Let's go!
Sure ka?
Yes! Let's go!
Okay. Score now 8-13. Not miss 8-14. So we're slowly inching back. Getting them on their back foot na.
Let's go,
The score now is 15-8. We are down. Kailangan ng habol, so we need your energy, guys. Send your energy here. We need it. Score 15-8. May freeze pa, but long way to go.
Let's go! Sige!
Score now 16-8. Kailangan ng habol.
Nanamigan yata sila here eh. Let's go! Jules! Doon lang! Doon lang!
9-17. Yan.
Yeah!
Come on!
Doon lang nga! Walang.
One break, kaya. One break, kaya.
17-10.
One break, kaya. Let's go!
Let's go!
Dito na. Alam naman players. Okay. Come on! Oh, sa bata nga. Hindi ba ba? Sa bata nga. Di ba?
7 score?
17-12. 12-17.
Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
Sa bata nga.
Sochi! Let's go! Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
Okay. Kailangan nga ibuday ka sa bata.
Yeah, yes. Huwag kayo.
Coach Rob made the call. Coach Rob made the call. Mas magaling si Tito.
Do you agree with that?
I do. I do. So now, from down, the lead is cut to 5, 12-17, and we still have the freeze.
Energy!
Slow start, pero kayang-kaya to, guys.
Let's go!
Jules. Okay, 18-12. 18-12.
One break, kaya. One break, kaya.
Score now 13-18. 5-point deficit. 1913. 1913.
Abot!
1914 nga pala.
Let's go!
Okay, score now 2014. Freeze.
Please.
Just need a break. Just need a break. Just need a break. Just need a break, then we're in the driver's seat. 2014, need one stop. Then we have a safety net.
Let's go, dude!
Let's go, Sochil. Let's go. Let's go, Sochil. Let's go. Let's go, Sochil. Let's go.
Doon tayo kay Bunso! Love it.
Okay lang, we lose game 1. 21-14.
It's okay!
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay! Let's go!
Okay lang.
Ay, siya tumabot ng Dream Breaker. Oo.
Oh my gosh.
Dream Breaker din to.
No way.
Yeah. Mag-start na. Ayan.
Really?
Yeah.
Japan lost. So, talo sa women's.
Yeah.
Talo
Talo
isang
sa-
mix. Oh my gosh. Marunong na kayo. girls.
我确认一下，
Dekado.
那个 Dream Breaker 的时候，系统上没有办法按照他们的顺序排，对不对？OK，好，OK，你就看你的资料，所以你要认他们的脸，直接按就可以了。对，直接按顺序就可以了。对，所以你的顺序是要看这个。
Magaling ba ito?
Our next game will be the girls, Clarice Patrimonio and Joy Sanosa.
So ngayon, hindi mo bibigyan ng back.
Hi to my ates who are watching, Ate Bang and Ate Owen.
Diyan ka muna mag-start.
Hi to Angge, yes, kayang-kaya pa, 3 games.
Kasi ito, hindi mabasa ng game. Alam niyo naman kung sasabi ng
Hi Jillian, Yuri is here.
sa live.
Let's go ACP! Go Joy! Let's go Sochin! Let's go! Let's go Sochin! Let's go! Let's go Sochin! Let's go! Fighting! Fighting!
Oh, game 2, game 2. Sila.
Pero grabe yung last game namin, parang 19 yung kalaban 15 na.
Nakita ko nga sa, sa TV.
Ang muhan.
Nakakapagwa!
Kaya.
Kasi yung mga players, natawag na nila na
Let's go Kwa! Joy!
Let's go! My gosh, the Japan Dream Breaker is gonna be so excited.
Kailan na lang?
Ay, go na ba? Mag-practice pa lang ba to?
Practice pa lang.
I mean sila, yung Dream Breaker.
May exhibition game namin.
Ayan, no? May exhibition game. Baka mag-open play. Ano? Chill, Chen
Oo.
open play?
Yes, abangan niyo sa Reclub.
Go, Kwa! So, for those just tuning in, this is the
Let's
round of
go!
16.
ATP!
Elimination round na. And, so talo tayo sa men's, pero kaya-kaya. So now going into the women's. Wala pang talo. So, let's see. What we got here.
Let's Dream Breaker. Yeah.
Let's go!
Sa kanila to?
May Pocari din dito. Joy, may Pocari din.
Go.
Yeah, Dream Breaker Japan.
Let's go Sochin! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go Sochin! Let's go!
Let's go! So we are off. Indonesia first to serve. Sochil takes first point. 1-0 now.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh, pag Dream Breaker daw, kailangan pasukin si Reese.
Sige, game.
Sabi ni Carlo. Score now is 2-0. Great reset there from Joy. With the put away. 3-0 lead na.
Ay, na sila, papunta dito.
Good.
Hindi na kailangan nyo lang. Kumalo na kayo. Maximum dalawa.
That's us. That's 4-0 now. Okay lang, okay lang. Good shot, good shot.
Nice try, nice try.
Natakot yung the one in front of Joy. The one in front of Joy is scared of speed ups. Natakot yung the one in front of Joy. Yung naka-visor. No, takot sa speed up. That's 5-2, 5-3.
Let's go. Joy, hinga, hinga.
Let's go, let's go.
Hinga.
5-2 now.
Joy, may oras, may oras.
Hindi kasalanan ni Joy yan. Sumigaw kasi nandito.
Let's go, Joy, may
Kaya
oras.
nila tapos na.
Madami, madami.
3-5 now is the score. Passing serve niya.
Okay lang.
Score now 4-5.
Next point tayo, next point. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Hinga, hinga.
Thank you, Net.
Let's go. Let's go, Sochin. Let's go.
That's 6-4 now. Score is now at 6-4. That's 7.
Let's go. Let's go, Sochin. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Sochin. Let's go.
9-4 now.
Let's go.
Di ba
Hinga,
9?
hinga.
Oh, 8-4 pa rin. Massive drive there from Joy.
Ganun
Huge.
lang.
Score now 9-4. So chill. We have a run, guys.
Go, Kwa.
Lahat watching. It's crucial. We're currently down 0-1 in the series. Kailangan natin ito. Good drop there. Composure. So, let's go.
Go, Sochin. Let's go.
Bring it now to 10-4. change scores. So chill now up 11-4. This is game 2. Started off the series 0-1, but that's A-okay. We have lots of games to go. Let's change court now. Dominant showing here.
Joy.
Sana naman si Thailand doon. Ano ba yan? Wala na si Japan.
Ilaga ang gamit. Let's go! Let's go!
Now, 11-4. Resets.
Whoa.
Nanginig daw yung camera para for cheering. Sorry, malakas lang yung cheering natin dito.
Sorry guys, sorry.
Sound waves yan eh. Kailangan hands off the table.
Hands off the table, okay.
Score is 12-4. Oh, just wide. Sayang. It's all good, all good. Score now 5-12. 7-point lead for Sochil. After this, we have the mixed doubles. We need to win the next 2 mixed. Oy, taas.
Bawal na.
Bawal yan. Overhead na yan. 13-5 now. Boy, pressure getting to Team Indonesia. Score now 14-5. Searcher off with a crazy start.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
We've never not touching. It's still moving. Score now 14 to great reset from Joy. Score the point. Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Yeah, walang gumagalaw. It's moving. Score now 15.
Okay lang.
All smiles si Kwa. Score now 6-14. Lob from Indonesia. This is the wrong team.
Let's go, Sochil! Let's go! Let's go, Sochil! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Sochil! Let's go!
17-6 now, 75, something along those lines. Basta guys, this game, we have a massive lead. So next up after this, preview lang, gonna be having Jules and Kwa playing up against either, if I had to guess, it's gonna be Lolo. And, uy, what a speed up there. ACP. Let's go.
Let's go, Sochil! Let's go!
quick wrap. Score now 19 to 6. 19-5. From Joyce Rosa gets us on match point. Match point now 25. 25. Long. Great block from Joy there. And that's game.
Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go!
So that's a wrap for the women's. Going up next, we have the mix. Who's starting? Jules, ikaw muna. Ikaw. Kaya yan.
Sorry guys, try ko ayusin. Teka lang, paano ba to? Sa floor ko na ilalagay, guys.
Mayanig daw yung
Ayan, hindi na yumayanig. Pero, tatanggalin ko tong mga to.
okay. Baka gumugagalaw pa rin.
Gagalaw pa rin? Hindi.
Speaker mo. Hindi, ano pala yung stand pala yung stand. Pag nag-cheer tayo, gumagalaw yung
Hindi yung table eh. Yung table. So, pag ganyan, okay na. Pero, yan na yung pinakamataas niya. Teka lang. Ay, hindi pala. Ayan pala. Nasa taas. Okay. Yan. Better.
Let's go! Sochin! Let's go, Jules! Nice one, Joy! Guys, it's gonna be a wild ride, so drink your Bonamid.
Nanalo Thailand, ba? Sana makakala sila. Sana. 17-15. 17-16.
Gosh! Hindi ko kaya yan dito. Mahulog ako. I won't be able to watch. 21-18.
Let's go, Jules!
Yeah!
Go!
Let's go!
Isigaw mo yan! Isigaw mo yan!
Energy, energy!
Energy!
Let's go, let's go!
Go! Go, Kwa!
Let's go, let's go! Okay, everyone, we are back game 3 now. Atake yan.
Let's go!
What a shot from Jules there. Lolo's cheating over to the middle. Jules caught him off guard. And yung kaliwete. 1-1 now is the score. Kailang. Score now is 2-1. Si Lolo.
Let's go!
Also chill, let's go! Let's... Alright. Dalawa lang.
Nice.
There we go! Woo! Score now 2-3.
Ganun lang! Dun lang!
Bodega lang kay tita.
Yes! Okay!
3-all na.
Ayun lang ang sinasabi. Bakit silang saktan?
Huwag mo sila sakta. Let's go, so chill, let's go. Let's go, so chill, let's go. Dalawa lang. Kailangan na i-conductor. 5-3?
Makaka-cheer ka na eh. No?
Nice one. 6-3. Kailangan may start-stop tayo. Hindi tayo in sync. 7-3. run, good run. 4-7. 4-7 now is the score. We are up. 4-7 is the score. Lob from Lolo. Hala, nagagalit na si Lolo. Pinapagalitan na si Lolo. Pinapagalitan na ni Lolo. Pinapagalitan na. Pinapagalitan na si Lolo. Ito. Oh no. 8. Ah. Ayan. Let's go! Let's go, Soldier! Let's go! 10-5, 10-5. Ano, 9 pala. 9-4. Maling-maling score ko. Ooh, good attempt, good attempt. Score now is 5-9. 5-9. 5-9. Kala man lang. 5-9. We're up, we're up. Sinabi ko, I just said it, guys. Pay attention.
Yes, okay.
Score now is 10-5. 10-5. And looks like they're calling a timeout. Timeout right before. Yan. Score now is 10-5. Nag-timeout sila pero we're about to switch sides. So, mga double timeout na sila. On the other side, coaching Team Indonesia looks like Jan Papi, founder of WPC. Ano? Nag-coaching si Jan Papi.
Team yata yun.
Taga-Bali talaga siya. Taga-Bali talaga si Jan. Kailangan naman ng 1 point before the switch side. I don't know why they called timeout. Pero okay lang. Score now is 10-5. 10-5 is the score. Jules the serve. Go to the switch side. Jules Quesada with the ATP. Woo!
Next one! Isa pa! Lahat ganon!
Great playing score now 11-5 going into the change court. Ayaw namin mag-dream breaker tonight. Gusto namin mag-open play.
Kumain.
Di ba kayo kumain?
Kami, hindi pa. The team manager. Kami dalawa.
Okay.
I can't. Ang cute nila doon. Ang cute nila.
Ayan, dito na yung... Anong ginawa? Anyways, score now. Ayan, bodega lang, bodega lang. Ayan. Score now 12-5. 12-5 is the score.
Ganda! Ganda ng energy mo!
Let's go, John Lloyd! Ayan, aggressive si Lolo. Hoy, ATP yun sana. Ang gusto ni Jules. Ayan. Okay.
Jules, nag-usap na tayo dyan.
Score now 6-12. 6-12. Ooh. Okay, okay. Calm down, calm down. 7-12 now, 7-12.
7-12.
Straight down the line. Nagalit na ulit si Lolo. 13-8. 13-7. 13-7 is the score. Big serve. Oh, drop goes wide. Drop goes wide. Jules trying to go behind Lolo there. Not letting him cheat over. Sayang.
Ayun na,
Ano, Lolo o Tito? Sige, Tito na lang. Tito na lang.
baka mapanood nila.
Sige, sige. Ayan. Tito with the drive. Oy! And then...
Sorry.
9-12. May konting habol sila. Ayan lang. Just gotta slow it down.
It's okay.
Okay, score now 10-12.
Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
That's... Isa lang. Yeah.
Let's go, Sochi!
Let's go! Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
14-10. Score now 11-14.
Let's go!
Right. Yeah, 11-14. May lead tayo. 11-14. Score is 11-14.
Let's go, Sochi! Let's go! Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
Score now 15-11. Puro forehand si Lolo. Ayan, Jerome Reyes from the Pickle Farm. Let's go, so chill. 15-11 is the score. Score now 12-15. Would want a bigger margin than this, pero okay lang. Good return. Timeout. Score now 13-15. Humabol ng konti. Still have a good lead though. Just need to carry some momentum. We're doing okay. China yan, magaling. They played against Somo. It was a close game. They lost, pero close. They were up 7-1 against Sina Paulo. Kumabol lang sila. Score now. 13-14.
Yes!
Bit of
Let's go!
miscommunication. Score now goes 16-13. Oh my god. Score now is 14-16.
Let's go!
Score now 17-14, so chill. Let's go. Let's go, so chill. Let's go. Kaya lang isa pa. 17-14. Come on! Woo! 18-14 now. So chill, let's go! Let's go, so chill, let's go!
Let's go!
19-19.
I love it!
Wala, kulang pala daliri si Lola.
Oo nga eh.
Kulang daliri.
Oo.
Si Lola kulang daliri.
Yeah. Ano?
Kulang daliri.
Seryoso? Yeah. Oo. Galing nga eh. Parang
Sorry.
Parang pang mafia yung mga tinatanggal. Ganong take on mo.
One point away. Match point. So chill to go up 2-1.
Let's go.
And now, so chill goes up 2-1. 21-15.
Let's go! Let's go, so chill. Let's go!
Woo!
Let's go! Isang ngiti naman dyan, Jules! Go! Go, Bo!
Kailangan ko ng patungan. Patungan.
Hello, Pickle Farm. Jerome. Whoop whoop. Yes.
From the hotel.
Sana nanood pa siya ng
The name of the game is Bodega. Why waiting? Waiting.
Uy, ang galing naman. Las Piñas Pickleball Club said, go chill.
Thank you po.
Thank you to Jojo Senga.
Let's go! Let's go! Puso! Laban!
Illegal serve.
34 ulit.
I-video ka.
Laban nyo! Laban! Laban!
Laban!
Nasa video.
It's okay! It's okay! Okay! Next point, come on! Next point tayo!
4-4. 4-4 guys.
Let's go, Sochin! Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go!
Love it!
Let's go! Let's go, Sochin! Let's go!
Ay!
Okay.
Next point, next point.
It's okay, it's okay! Bawi!
We're up pala.
Yeah.
7-5.
I
5-7 pala. So score guys, 5-7. Score now 8-5.
It's okay.
Okay lang, it's okay, it's okay.
Okay lang yun.
Score now 6-8.
Laban, let's go.
Okay.
Nice try, nice
Now
try.
7-8.
Oh, let's go! Hinga, hinga. Oh! Nice try, nice try. Nice try! Let's go! Okay ka lang? Okay. Okay. Let's go! Let's go!
No score, no score. I don't know. I was doing something.
Huwag magmadali. Huwag magmadali.
Pero leading ata sila.
9-8. 9-8. Let's go! Score now.
Sila eh.
Iba naman. Iba-ibayin natin para mas mairita sila.
9-8. 10-8 now. So going into the lead for the switch sides. There we go! High speed up there. Pilipinas! 11-8. Let's go! 11-8 now is the score.
Sige, let's go! Huwag magmadali. Huwag magmadali.
Ay, bukas na. Tala lang.
11-8, good habol, good habol.
Joy, smile! Ay. Signature.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Teamwork there from Joy and Mo brings Chill now to 12-9 in this crucial game.
Philippines sa gitna. Philippines lang ang alam nila yun.
Woo! Kailang, kailang. Score now 10-13. 10-12. 10-12 is the score.
Okay, okay. Nice try, Joy. Nice try.
Nice try, Joy.
Ganda pa rin. Ganda pa rin.
Score now 11-12. Killer put away there from Joy. Philippines. 13-11 now. Wow, English. Ang English natin, guys.
Next coaching naman ah.
13-11. Nagsuswitching.
Nice try, nice try.
Okay, may switching sila ngayon. Wonder why. 12-13. 12-13 is the score.
Kaya mo rin yan mo! Let's go, boy! Laban!
Bawe, bawe. 13 all. Thirteen, 13.
Ay, sakit.
Score now 14-13.
Kaya, kaya.
Kaya pa to, kaya pa to.
Daming oras.
What's the score?
Philippines! Philippines! 14-14. 14-14 is the score right now. 14 all. Nag-time out? Hindi ba? Tama. 14 all? 14-13. Parang all.
All na yan.
Yeah.
Tingnan ko sa app.
Ayaw tayo mag-cheer ngayon.
Philippines! 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 Philippines!
Let's go!
14 all.
Dito.
Hindi ko kaya mag-dream breaker.
Oh my God. Ano yun?
Yeah, Joyce Irvin, 14 all na.
Yeah, 14 all here. Fourteen all. 14 all.
Pares lamang? Pares lamang.
High blood ako.
Woo! 15-14 now. Philippines! 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 Let's go! Kala ko guys, maraming time. Narush niya sila. 15-14.
Sama ng tingin.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. 15 all.
Let's go, bro.
Tayo magmadali, guys.
Take your time. Philippines! 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 16-15. 16-15.
Odo, hinga!
Lahat ng mga line ko. 17-15 now. Great drop from Mo. Kailang. 16-17. Kailang. Laban!
Energy, Joy!
Energy!
15
Energy!
17. 18-17.
Hinga! Hinga!
Let's go, Nina.
Kailang. 18 all.
One break. One break, kaya.
Kaya ng 18. 18 all. Come on!
Let's go, Sochi! Let's go!
Oh, madaming oras! Oh!
19-19.
Alam mo na yan!
Laban! 19 all.
Okay.
2019, we're down. Ito, what the fuck, bar, ikaw.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ikaw straight to the point.
Let's go!
2019, we're down. Philippines! 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 Philippines!
Galit mo. Sama ng tingin. Sabi niya, ayaw ko ng team breaker. Kata na tayo.
Yeah, I mean, so chill. Baseball.
Chill, yeah.
Hindi, natutuwa sa
One stop.
The chill pickle club.
Pag ganun pala.
Kailang.
Dream break!
Hey guys, we're going to a dream breaker. We're going to a dream breaker.
Come on!
Kailang guys.
Let's go!
Philippines! 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 Oh my God!
Laban! Laban!
I will gather them. Not very good. now they're they're also Robert, you beside the order, the sequence. Okay. Shift reference to and now the breaker.
Okay, so we're changing Win my team, have to win on Civic. Win my team on service. Just keep going. Yeah, you have to win on service. That's what's great.
Guys, we're going to Dream Breaker.
You gotta sign out. So you don't get that point. But that counts as one of the routes. So it's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Because you have one service. That just counts as one route. But before, the more, everybody will play 4 rounds. One time out, and then change 11.
I can't stand. My legs are shaking.
Me too.
Lean on the table. I can't stand. what is it?
I know the ballot first, the older guy.
Lolo. Lolo first and then...
Yeah. I think guy, girl.
Okay. We have Kwa up first.
That's
Kwa, Jules, Joy, and then Lolo.
he's gonna be matched. The Marbles.
Maybe need more drinks.
Let's go, Soldier! Let's go! Let's
Puso
go,
lang, puso,
Soldier!
puso.
Let's go!
Tubig. Guys, ito yung mga tubig ah. Ito. We're about to start the Dream Baker. Let's go, guys! Let's go!
Go, Kwa! Go, Kwa! Hanggang dulo! Let's go!
Ay, di na kaintindihan.
비스야구리가 Hello? Hello, 가진.
Sa kanila yan? Up to ilan daw yung score? Hindi ba? JP, up to ilan ang score? Jules, up to ilan ang score? 21.
Let's go, Clarice! Let's go,
Let's go!
Let's go, Clarice! Go!
Hala ka. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. No damage. It's okay. Okay lang, okay lang.
Energy! Energy!
Let's go, Jules! Let's go!
Go, Jules!
Anong score po? Hindi, 3-1. Wow! 3-1. Shit, dapat yung napanalo.
Ganda ng energy!
Yeah, I think.
Oh, good! Shake it up! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Joy!
Go, Joy!
Energy, Joy! Energy!
Let's go, Joy!
Ang ganda, Joy!
Girl power! Girl power! Philippines! 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 Ay, sorry, be.
Sobra ka talaga, be.
Philippines! Come on, Joy! Girl power!
Ganda ng energy!
Go, Joy!
Uy, nako!
No coaching! No coaching!
Hanggang dito nagsasabi na gano'n. Hey, no coaching. Hanggang dito nanguhuli ng ano, nagka-coach. 5-6, 5-6. Kapit yun! Hala ka.
Nice try, Joy! Nice try!
Let's go, Joy!
Let's go, Mo! Oh, let's go!
Go, Mo!
Shit, si Angie. Ano yung kapatid si Angie? Slow connection.
Ingat! 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 Oh, ingat! Kaya, kaya!
Let's go, Mo! Let's go, Mo!
Mo, laban mo! Ilaban mo!
It's okay!
Okay lang, next point, come on!
Get one!
Okay, it's okay!
It's okay!
Energy ko, energy!
你听得懂？
Come on, Kwa!
Energy!
7 what? 10. Nice one. Nice one. No!
Nice try, nice try, nice try.
Okay lang.
Laban! Philippines! 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 Philippines!
Come on, Kwa.
Energy, energy!
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go!
One for each.
Laban! Energy, guys, energy!
，okay lang. Kapit. Kaya, come on.
Go, Kwa!
No.
Okay, it's okay! Bawi tayo! Let's go, Jules! Let's go!
Go, Jules!
Get far, Jules! Jules, energy, kaya!
他们是比分平的，然后把别人 break。有没有封顶？还是一直如果平分？
Come on, let's go.
Philippines! Philippines!
Philippines.
No coaching! Oh!
Kanina pa itong mga ko.
Qualify naman. Ace naman.
Laban pa yan. Bilog ang bola. Lalaban tayo. Si Lolo galit na.
Energy!
Lupit nito sa single ko.
What's the score?
Laban pa yan. Patay ka. Laban.
TikTok ko yan! Kasayo tayo mamaya, Jules.
Come on, Joy. 11:30. Laban.
Get it on!
Kuha ka, Joy. Dapat niyan. Come on, Joy. Patay ka. Okay lang dun.
It's okay. Okay lang. Let's go, Joy! Laban!
Another one, Joy! Another one! Come on!
Layo pa.
It's okay. Okay lang.
Okay, Joy! It's okay! Ganda! Go! Let's go!
Come on.
Let's go, Mo! Hanggang dulo!
It's okay mo. It's okay.
Let's go, Mo! Go, Mo! Usap!
Come on mo.
Go, Mo!
Mo.
Ilaro niya!
Players only can take calls.
Let's go.
Go!
Go, Kla! Kaya pa yan!
Let's go!
Okay.
Nice game, guys! Nice game! Bawi bukas!
没有，你刚才确定啊？你要跟他确定一下。